Alright, well, it's a nice warm day here in the neighborhood. Beautiful sunshine. My cool flowers are here, opening up because the sun is shining. I love it when they do that. But today, we are going to be doing a quick video on how to do... Oh, the cat's out here. How to do sound effects for a particular project that I'm working on. What I have to redo is the sound of some robots fighting and also some destruction going on in a particular fight scene. And in order to do that, I'm going to actually create it myself. I couldn't buy sound effects that I wanted, and the dog wouldn't make them for me. And so what I'm doing here, if you see, is I'm going to use some metal and some boards, and we're going to recreate a fun sound of what we weave. Got the microphone here, seen better days, but it sure works well. And I'm going to put it onto the clip, and then we're going to make sure it all fits accordingly here. Kind of fun. And when we come back, we'll be making some sounds, and you get to see how I do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create some metal and wood sounds of destruction. Notice I have my microphone with the cool little windscreen on it. And our first effect is we're going to take these car thingamabobbers and we're going to drop them on this chair. So you have to back up there. Don't want you to get hurt. You ready? Here we go. This is our first one. This is for robot getting attacked and falling. Get the dog out of the way. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then the next sound effect that we're going to make is the wood planks being used. So come on over here for a minute and look at the, come on down here and look at what I got. These are actually not very big. They're just little planks, but they'll make the sound we want. Here we go. Go ahead and look down here. Here we go. And here goes the wood planks. There you go. Sound effects 101 right here.